What's up guys, back for another review. Today I'm going to be doing another review on Buttercloth clothing. So absolutely love the brand. If you've checked out any of my recent posts, you can see that I've gotten a couple different things from them. And packaging is always unbelievable. That's something I always touch on. But today I'm going to sort of skip over that and I'm going to talk just about the shirt. So I couldn't wait to get this thing on. So this is my brand new piece from them. And this shirt, first off, it fits amazing. I always get a slim fit in the medium and I don't need to get it tailored. I mean, straight out of the box, it feels great. And one of the things I always do, just as a personal preference, is I like to roll the sleeves on a lot of my shirts. So when I roll the sleeves on this shirt, you can see it's actually got pattern right there. So it adds more to it. It adds more style to it, which I think is really cool. That's one thing they do that just not a lot of brands do, to be honest. But anyway, so the fit is always amazing and the stretch on this shirt is unbelievable. And I feel like I haven't put enough emphasis on that in my past videos, but look at that. So the 6-way stretch on this makes it very easy to like move around. And even if it's a slimmer fitting shirt, you still have that ability to move around and be active and not feel like the shirt's like gonna break or rip on you. So really nice. The other thing about this shirt, perfect for summertime. It's extremely breathable, right? So if you're out and it's hot and this and that, I mean, this is the kind of shirt you can wear to the beach, you can wear out to like a brunch. I feel like I could wear this on a boat right now because it's got the little sailboats on it. But anyways, absolutely love it. And one thing I want to tell you guys right now, okay, Father's Day is coming up. And this is the perfect gift for dad, right? It's gonna be a shirt that he loves. It's gonna be a shirt that's comfortable, right? So if he's one of those guys that just wants to be comfortable and sort of puts that ahead of, being fashionable, this is a shirt that's gonna do both for him. He's gonna feel good and he's gonna look good in it. So definitely check that out. But overall, you cannot go wrong with these shirts. I've recommended it over and over again, and I'll continue to do the same thing. Buttercloth really figured it out, and they've been killing it, and the shirts are absolutely amazing. So for me, short sleeve weather, so I'm going to be getting a lot of these, but they got a lot of options, short sleeves, polos, the whole deal. Button-ups, probably my favorite though. Easy to style, looks amazing. So if you haven't checked out Buttercloth, go ahead and check them out right now. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. As always, if you like my videos, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys want next. I'm gonna keep coming with more content.